Number 30. This one's going to be a bit difficult for you, I believe, but let's see how we do it. The length L of a rectangle is 3 times its width. So here's what I know. The length of it is 3 times its width. The length of a rectangle. Do you know what a rectangle looks like? Looks like this guy right here. There's a rectangle. The length of it is 3 times its width. So here's its width, right? This length is 3 times its width. So it's 3W, isn't it? So if the width is like 2, this guy, the length is 3 times 2, 6. If that width is 5, this guy's 3 times 5, 15. So that's the first thing. Now, the other way is you could say, hey, there's width, width, length, length. Well, it tells you right here, the L is worth 3 W's. 3 W's. 3 W's. That's what it's telling me. It then says the perimeter. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around. Okay, if you had to walk around this rectangle, it's the distance around it, is greater than 48. So the distance around it is more than 48. Well, what is the distance around it? 3W plus W plus 3W plus W. What is that up to? Let's see. 3W plus W is 4W. 3 more is what? 7, 8W. So that perimeter is 8W. That must be bigger than what? 48, correct? Yeah. The width must be bigger than 6. We know the width must be bigger than 6. It, though, says which inequality expresses all possible lengths in centimeters of the rectangle, and it has L's option. Remember, here's L right here. There's L right there. It's worth 3W. W must be bigger than 6. So if the L is worth 3 W's, you got to take that W and triple it. 3 W's would be worth how much? If I multiply each of these sides by 3, which stands for the length, because 3W is the length, that's going to be bigger than 18. So I know that in this rectangle, 18 would be the minimum it could be. If the length is 18, that width obviously was a 6. And you'll notice the distance around that would be a perfect 48. So we know the length, since it said is more, the perimeter is more than 48. We know the length must be greater than 18. Again, very difficult problem. Very difficult. I understand that we will struggle with that and have to really go over this again and again to get it. And that's okay.